welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you guys how I style my hair with tape and extensions. But I am using Irresistible Me hair extensions. They're tape and extensions, and I'm wearing the jet black ones. I'm going to put a link to the hair extensions down below so you guys could check them out. This is my third time using this set of tape-ins, which is insane. I love the quality of their tape and extensions. It's beautiful, thick. It doesn't tangle as much as other extensions that I've tried, so I really like these extensions. I'm going to put a link down below so you guys can check them out. But if you guys want to see how I got this hairstyle, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so my hair is pretty much just washed. I blow dried my hair because with tape-ins you want to make sure that you blow dry it because it's gonna get very moist in the root area because of the tapes. So you want to make sure you get it in there and you blow dry everything so it's not uncomfortable and you're able to style it. A little comb like this and just part my hair, blow dry half, the bottom half, and then blow dry the top half. And then once it's all dry, it literally looks straight like this. And I want to use this straightening iron. It's called the Blow Pro Pink Edition, and I really like this one for curling my hair. I'm also using one of their products which I'm really liking. I'm like halfway through it, and it's amazing when you blow dry or straighten your hair. So I do it before I blow dry, and then once it's dry I just spray a little bit. Right now it looks pretty and shiny because I sprayed this right before I blow dry my hair. And this is like the third time I'm using these tape-ins. I actually installed these myself. I did get them professionally installed before, but I gave it a try to install it myself because the hair was still good. And this is the last time I'll probably use it because, you know, 3 times, that's a lot, but I got 3 uses out of it. So right now I'm just gonna go in and spray my hair. So I also spray this right onto my hand because it's kind of like a cream. I don't know if you guys can see how it's spraying. And then I just run my fingers through the hair. So once you have split your hair in half, you're just going to comb through it. It's like so much easier when you comb through your hair and then you go on and style it. So just make sure everything is nice and smooth. You guys like my comb? I got it at Forever 21 in Times Square. It's so cute. Alright, so now I'm gonna put this in half like this. And all I'm gonna do is grab my straightening iron and grab all that hair. I'm just gonna run through it and then flip. This is my favorite hairstyle. And just slowly glide down. And really focus on the ends of the hair. And then let it go. You should get like a pretty curl like this. Nice and bouncy. I feel like when you do a thicker strand like this and it's nicely combed through, it just adds like a nice bounce. So I'm just gonna let it chill. Parting my hair in half and then these sides doing it in 3s. So now I'm gonna do another piece like that and slowly bring that hair down and focus on the ends. And you definitely want to blow dry your hair when you're doing this just because it's easier. Everything else on the top is smooth already and you just have to do the ends pretty much. It's a quick, easy hairstyle when you wash your hair extensions. So the last piece, let me just brush through it real quick. You want to make sure you're brushing through your hair because that way you get all the hair and all the hair flows the same way, and you also get like a nice soft curl. There you go. And you get a nice bounce. And if you want to do like your bangs, if you have any, I kind of have some short pieces here. Just gonna very quickly run my straightening iron and just curl the end, just the end. And I'm just gonna let the hair cool down, but as of right now I have these pretty bouncy big full curls, and it's such an easy hairstyle when you have tape-ins. I'm going to comb through my hair. And same thing, I'm just gonna run my straightening iron through it and then just kind of curl out the tip. It's kind of like when you get a blow dry, your hair is like beautiful and bouncy. It's kind of like the same thing, but I'm just using the blow dryer to dry the hair and then the straightening iron to give it like that nice bounce. To top off my hair, I'm gonna apply this liquid pearl. It's by the brand Organics, and it just adds like a luminescent shine to it. I'm just gonna apply 2 small pumps, run it through my hands, and just apply it to my hair. It just makes it smell really nice, and it adds like this pretty shine to the beautiful curls that you have. And that is it, you guys. Super easy, quick hairstyle with tape-in extensions. You can also do this with clip-in extensions. You can also do this with your natural hair if you have long hair. Even if you have like medium to short hair, you can always curl it out with your straightening iron, and it just adds like a nice bounce to the hair with some volume. So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.